What's up, everybody? My name is Brittany Smart, Vice President of Family First Life Abundant, and our topic today is how to issue pay $20K plus per month every single month. The first thing that you're going to need are leads. At my prior experience working in insurance, I worked with a captive insurance company, and I wasn't ever able to control my lead flow. So as a result of that, I was never even close to issue paying $20K per month. Fast forward, coming to Family First Life, I was shown an entirely different way. I was given the opportunity to purchase warm buyer leads. So by that, I mean people interested in life insurance. Straightforward, to the point, life insurance. So these leads can come in a various number of ways. You can get them from clients that fill out requests on the internet. You can buy direct mail leads. These are handwritten forms filled out from a client expressing interest on protecting their assets or their mortgage, etc. And we also have different varieties of final expense leads. So that's the number one thing that you're going to need to write $20K per month every single month. We have an exclusive CRM here that agents can go in and go anywhere in the country in any of the 50 states and purchase leads. Buying 100 to 200 per leads every single week is going to ensure that you're writing at least $5,000 to $10,000 every single week. Therefore, you're issuing $20K plus per month. It sounds really simple because it is really simple. Contact us for more information and we'd be happy to help you.